Today's activity was sponsored by Bank of America. Hi everyone, I'm Danny and I am the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum, Houston. Now, when we get money, we can spend it, save it, or share it. And it's important to have a safe place to keep our money and to make smart choices about what we do with it. So I'm going to show you how to put together a do-it-yourself wallet. For this activity, you will need a foam sheet, some tape, Velcro dots, and foam stickers and markers to decorate. To assemble your wallet, fold the foam sheet in half the long way. Tape along the short edges to seal the wallet. Leave the top open. Next, fold the wallet in half again, like a book. Place a Velcro dot in each corner of the wallet so that it will fasten. Close your wallet and use the foam stickers and markers to decorate. And that's it. You can use your wallet to keep your money safe and to get started with setting goals for your money. Now, setting goals can help guide our choices about money. What is something that you really want right now, and how can you earn and save money to get what you want? Congratulations, you've just started to create your first budget. A budget is a plan you create for your money. It's a way of keeping track of your income, money you earn, and expenses, money you spend. Now, whether you have a big budget or a small one, planning ahead is a great habit to develop. Imagine you've been invited to stay the night with your grandparents. What things would you take with you? Which of these things are needs and which ones are wants? What would you leave at home if you found out you had half as much room as you thought? Good financial habits are about more than just the things we buy. Saving money can be as simple as turning off the lights and TV when you leave the room to lower the electricity bill as well. Think of 3 ways that you can help your family save money at home and try them. Be sure to let other family members know what you are doing to help. They might have more ideas for how you can all develop good habits to save money together. Thank you so much for making our do-it-yourself wallet with me. From Children's Museum Houston, I'm Danny, and we will see you all next time. Bye.